What's great about Rice Business is how integrated it is with the campus. So being able to actually work across projects with people that are pre-med or pre-law and are going into such different career paths but have great perspectives from them has been really beneficial. Houston has been great when it comes to my career and being able to just work across and explore different industries through internships. But outside of Rice itself, just the Houston area has given me so many different internship opportunities, like working at a real estate private equity firm my sophomore year and then an energy private equity firm my junior year. So just being able to be in a city that has so many different businesses has prepared me for my career in business myself. One of my classes that's the favorite one that I've participated in is financial statement analysis, and it was great. Like, I was actually in the loop of like different 10Ks and looking at different companies' statements specifically, which is what I ended up doing this summer at my internship. Like, the best part about Rice, in my opinion, is just how helpful people are and how willing they are to help you. Like, I think that the best part of Rice students is that we're always willing to help each other out. I think that the best way to describe the Rice community is just collaborative and really, really nice.